Hey guys, welcome to Ray's Creative Corner. Today we're going to be doing part 2. Because of my tape enclosure, that was really bad. Okay, so what I've done is my dad helped me with the tape, and it's full on taped. So we taped the baking paper with my design that I did before. We put it on there. Then I managed to do it, yay! Then we're gonna put this on top of the design. Cut it. Okay, now we've done cutting it. I'm gonna gently pull this off the table, if it works, and cut around it. Now, welcome guys, there you guys have it. Peel the back of your thing, peel the baking paper off, and you've got your sticker. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I know this one's a short one because of what happened before. Make sure you guys watch that video and click that subscribe button underneath. Okay, thanks guys, thank you for watching, bye.